Okay, Jed is the nicest instructor. He's back. If you saw his last video, amazing instructor. And he's told me one thing. He's got the best parallel parking technique that you will ever have learned from any driving instructor. I told you this was the best driving instructor. Now he's going to teach me how to parallel park. Is this method going to wow me?
I think it will. Yeah.
Okay. If you're struggling with parallel park, this video is literally made for you.
Okay, so with this parallel park, you can actually correct any mistake you've made just by changing the gear either from reverse to forward or forward to reverse.
So it's not only the easiest way to understand it, you can also, if you mess it up, just get out of it.
Absolutely.
Cool.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Really simple and straightforward.
I've turned the car off. This is going to be a nice, short, quick video. And you can...
Put your foot on the brake, press the button. That's
It's on the brake.
That's it. Stop it. Stop.
Oh, it's on. I just can't hear it.
It's on.
I'm turning it on and off. Okay, this video is going to be nice and short and quick. You can bookmark it and save it so you can come back to it if you're having any trouble or you need to remind yourself on how to do a parallel park. Boom, hits right here. Let's drive on and you're going to tell me where to stop.
Okay, so we're going to do it on the fly.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you see the grey car with its rear to us just on the left.
Yeah, yeah.
What I want you to do is just pull alongside that car.
Alongside it.
So,
Okay.
yeah, again, a meter, half a meter to a meter to the side.
So I'm going to
signal left
to show I'm stopping.
Yeah, slow it down, and I want the lead edge of that car just level about where the B pillar is.
So the back lights.
Yeah, the back lights, the lead edge, that's it.
Got it.
Okay, so once you're there, into reverse. And once in reverse, all we do is full lot left.
Right now?
Yep, full lot left. Yep.
Cool.
Nothing wrong with dry steering with a modern car.
Okay.
With the power assisted steering. No effect. I've done research, particularly with this model. Absolutely no issue dry steering. All red observations, and then we're just going to take the car backwards until the front of the car is pointing roughly at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, okay. That 45-degree angle, that is about 1 o'clock?
So about 2.
And about there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now if you went too far, what could we do?
If I've gone too far?
So now we could just put it back in drive and drive back to the 2 o'clock position.
I'm almost at 3, so I'm going to go forwards about there.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I see.
See? So you can always fix your arrow straight away just by changing the gear, either forward
Just
or reverse.
rewind the last
rewind
thing.
the tape.
Got it.
So to speak, yeah. So now, straighten the wheel.
Okay. Oh, not
No.
right turn.
No,
Yeah.
straighten the wheel.
Straighten
now
the
we're
wheel.
going to go towards the curb.
Okay.
So we've got in the left door mirror the triangle created by the curb, the car, and the tarmac.
Got it.
Take the car back until that disappears and then pause.
Ooh, gone.
Okay, so it's gone.
Yeah.
So if you went too far now, what could you do?
I could just go forward.
You could go forward
Yeah,
again,
yeah,
couldn't you?
yeah.
So now you're in that position, full lock right.
Okay.
And then again, observations all round, good shoulder checks, and then just bring it round until the door handle is parallel with the curb and stop again.
Door handle parallel.
Parallel with the curb, yeah.
So not when I'm parked.
No, bring it round.
Uh-huh.
Keep coming round, keep coming round. So now look in the left door mirror, it will line up with the curb.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
The car and the curb are two
Yeah.
parallel lines in the mirror.
That's right.
Yes.
So when we're nice and parallel, we can stop and straighten the wheel, and then we can go back our 2 car lengths.
Oh, that's
Or
genius.
up to 2 car lengths.
That's
But again,
so
every single
easy.
step, you
Yeah.
can just change the gear to undo the mistake you've made.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's so easy. Let me run through that again to make sure I've got it. Drive. Move off from the curb. So this is where you'll be if you're on your driving
Yes.
test. About 1.5 to 2 meters.
No, about half a meter to a meter.
Half a meter to a meter,
Yeah.
sorry. So we're quite close there. I've
Yeah.
gone too far, but that's okay because all I do is reverse until the back light of that car, or the front if it's the other way around, is, oh, is that his car?
It is.
Damn. Is
sorry.
at my B pillar.
That's correct.
Look around, dry steer left,
Yeah,
and then I get to 2 o'clock,
correct.
and then bosh,
Yeah, straighten up and head for the curb.
straighten up, and then you've got the pause to be able to observe
That's right.
at every single
Yeah.
reference point. Boom,
Yeah,
triangle's gone.
Gone.
I can't see the triangle.
there we go.
Yeah,
And then you're just looking for the parallel, like you do with pulling up at the side of the road.
oh,
Same parallel with the door handle and the curb.
no, that's so easy.
And then just go back your 2 car
That's
lengths.
so easy. We don't have to judge anything. We don't have to be mathematicians. I mean, 2 o'clock, that's easy maths.
Yeah.
We don't have to do any special. If that's the easiest parallel parking method you've learned, let me know in the comments. Big thank you to Jed from Bayview Driving School up here in Morecambe, Heysham.
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 And it's Bayview Automatic Driving School.
Big shout out to Jed from Bayview Automatic Driving School from Heysham.
Heysham.
Thank you very much. Give him a follow. His details are in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, please. Bye. Why does the car sound like that?
Because the engine's on to charge the battery.
Oh.
Self-charging hybrid.
Right.
Yeah.